So hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you the process of how we are going to set up an environment for web application in Java. So basically we will install so many softwares whatever is required. So let's start with that. I already kept it in my pen drive. So these are the set of softwares. One is the first we need to install the JDK. Second one is the Apache Toolkit, and third was the Apache NetBeans. So Apache NetBeans is the one of the popular IDE integrated development environment, and it is one of the updated ones. So we are going with these versions. So let's start the installations. First, I'm going to install the Java. Of course, the Apache Tomcat is one of the web server where the website which you are developing, your web applications which you are developing in the Java. For running that websites, we require this softwares. So first we are going with JDK. It will take bit time. So once the JDK will install, then we'll proceed for. So destination portal, let it be in the default. So don't give your own location where software will be installed. So better let it be default so that the environment, yeah, anything what is required can be set up easily. Okay, and if okay, it successfully installs. So now let's verify whether the JDK installed or not. So we'll go to the we'll go to the C drive, and inside the C drive, program files. Inside the program files, here you can see the Java. Yeah, so JDK 1.8 points. This is the JDK version, and we require JRE as well. So while you are downloading JDK latest versions together, both the set of files will come. So yes, we are ready with JDK. Okay, now let's come to the second software which we required. So second is the Apache Tomcat. So Apache Toolkit is a web server which required to run the web applications which been developed in Java. So we are going to install the Apache Toolkit, and better let's install with the full version instead of leaving any. Okay, then Apache Toolkit, and let's give default password, user ID and password admin and admin. Fine. Then automatically see here the for Apache Toolkit, we require Java virtual machines, we require JRE. So if JDK is not installed, of course you will not able to install Apache Toolkit. So whenever it will find that JRE is already installed, so automatically the path will taken by the Apache Toolkit. So let's proceed. So this is installation path where here I am installing up Tomcat 9.0 version. Even 10 version is also available, so it's up to you which version you are installing. Okay, now so this is a path for web server. So in the program files, inside the one folder is there Apache Software Foundation, and then Tomcat 9. So we are installing in that folder. Okay, so it's installed successfully. Up see here the service manager attempted to start the following services. So Apache Tomcat is getting started. So once Apache Tomcat installed successfully, you will be able to see in the right corner here. Okay, here Apache Tomcat is running. So to verify that, just open the browser. Okay, and here you just type here localhost colon 8080. So you will be able to see here that the server is running successfully. And even if you wanted to see your application, that part also you can see here. So list of applications whatever is running. So whenever we'll deploy our own applications, you will be able to see that part as well. But by the way, we do not require much Apache Tomcat because it will integrate this web server with Apache NetBeans. So just you need to know that there is a one software which is running our website. So the Tomcat is Apache Tomcat is one of the web application manager. Yeah, you can say web application server. So it will help you to run the website in the World Wide Web. Okay, so let's close this. Now the third software which we required is Apache NetBeans. The NetBeans is basically it's one IDE which will help you to integrate so many soft modules in one place, so you not required many um, efforts. So let's install this. And even Apache NetBeans also you cannot install if you do not have JDK. So this is we require JDK as well. So 12.3 is the version. So already see here successfully it found that base ID, Java SE, Java E, all this version. So these are we are going to install. Okay, so I accept, will accept the terms and condition. See here automatically it is taking JDK. If the JDK is not installed, automatically the it will throw some error that the JDK is not available, so you will not able to install. So make sure if you are installing in your laptop, so the JDK should be a JDK and JRE. So download the updated JDK and JRE from the Oracle website, so then only you will able to install this software. And check for updates. If any updates are there, automatically it will keep updating on NetBeans. So then let's install. It depends on PC to PC. So sometimes if you are installing in your PC, if the configuration is not good, so it might will take much higher time. So yeah, so it depend on your processor or your RAM size. So sometimes because these are bit heavy softwares, so it will take bit higher space along with high memory, RAM memory, and processor time also. So just you need to bear with that. And of course if you are in computer science, so you should be having one of the updated and upgraded laptop or PC, so that while you are developing any applications, you should not get irritated with the hardware issues. So 80% over, yeah, so it's completing. So let's see, we'll wait for a time. So we clicked on the update, check update, so might be it is checking if any updated version is available, so it will install that one. So yeah, so working on the updated one is always good, because the software whatever you are developing, that are having some dependency. Okay, so we installed successfully. Let's verify one by one. So you will able to see in your desktop that Apache NetBeans is available. Fine, so let's start Apache NetBeans. So we are going to start the Apache NetBeans, one of the popular IDE. So you will able to see this environment, right? So this environment basically going to help you stroke it. So you will able to see these options. File, in the file you will able to create new project, new files, open projects, then close all project, open files, project groups, import project, export. So you know but even there is one more IDE, integrated development method, that is Eclipse. So from Eclipse also you can import the projects, import from zip, export to zip. So many options are there. Then debug is that if you are facing any debugging issues, yeah, error kind of things, so you can use the debuggers. So this is the view, then team, even git, clone, even you can get the code from git repository, even you can push your code to git. So these are the options which are available. Fine. Then plugins. So let's start the new project. So we are going with the simple web applications project. So instead of selecting this Java with Maven, better we'll go with Java with Ant, where we will able to develop one simple applications. So again, I'm just repeating it again. So you will go to your file, okay, the new projects. In the new project, in so many options you will able to see. Even you can do HTML, Java with Ant, C++, PHP, all these things. But we will go with Java with Ant. And whenever you will click on this plus sign, you will able to see more options. So we will go for Java web. Okay, so Java web, as we are going to develop the JS, then here we will select web application. Fine. Then we'll go to the next. So it is trying to find some features, so it will take few seconds time. Then yeah, so what it's saying that in order to use the functionality support for Java web, and so doubly interface edition must be activated. So additional module are recommended to run the Java standard edition support. So let's download and activate it. Okay, so automatically, so see here what is happening. So whatever the extra modules required, so Apache NetBeans automatically will download and it will set up the environments. So see, NB Java C API automatically it is downloading. So we can accept terms and conditions and will install it. Of course you need to accept the terms and conditions. Without that, NetBeans will not allow you to proceed for development. So this installation has been finished, so let's finish it. Then it's got activated. Yeah, activating Java web and enterprise edition. So see, the basic Java programs what you wrote, that was in the that you was using J2SE, Java 2 standard editions. But the web applications we will use the what enterprise editions, because most of the enterprise kind of applications we are using Java J2EE. So web applications, let's give first web. Okay, and so automatically it will select the path inside the documents. Automatically there is one for NetBeans projects folders. In that folders there's the first web will created. Okay, then let's proceed for next. Up here one most important step is coming. Up here server, on which server you wanted to run this applications. Fine. So this here what we need to do, we need to add the server. So Surface server Apache Tomcat we just we installed, right? So we will select here. So we will go to the add. Now you are not able to see any web server, so we need to go to the add. Okay, and here we will select Apache Tomcat. Fine. See, so many Amazon Winstock, then Glassfish server, Payara server, will fly, wildfly application server. So many servers are there. So this Apache Tomcat is one of the widely used web servers. So we are proceeding with that. Okay, so let's select that. Then we'll go to the next. Then we need to select the server. So as just we installed in the C drive, we will go to that location, C drive, program files, Apache software foundation. Then we will select this folder Tomcat 9. Okay, once we select these locations, and automatically here will not then use the same user ID admin. Okay, so something is folder is not valid. Sometimes what happen, if this error if you are finding, what you need to do, you need to go to the C drive, go to the program files, then Apache software foundation. See here, so you need to give the permissions to access this folder. Fine. So just go and click double click on this folder and continue. So now what, let's finish this. Okay, so instead of selecting these Spring VMs, let's not go with that, because those are the bit advanced. You will understand whenever you will you will develop some basic application in GSP, Java server pages. So then automatically what are these frameworks, you will able to know.